Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Databricks Contest Engineer Associate Exam voucher. So here we will learn about the Data plus AI Summit 2026 and the voucher is for the attendees only. So 100% free exam attempt for on-site attendees AI plus Data Summit 2026 on June 50th and 18 2026 in San Francisco. So live keynotes are there. Boost your career with Get Certified and Get Ahead. So here in-person event. So June 15 to 18 2026 San Francisco and experience everything that summit has to offer. Live keynote access, 800 plus breakout session, hands-on training courses and certification opportunities. Networking with the data and AI professional, meet industry experts through the demos and industry focus session, access to 200 plus leading data and AI companies in the Expo, and special program including the Braindate and Meetups and Hackathon and more. So virtual experience is there streaming on June 2026. So bonus for the summit attendees, 100% free exam attempt. So Databricks is offering 100% free exam attempt for the attendees taking the beta version of the Database Certified Contents Engineer Associate exam on-site during the summit. So become a certified contest engineer with the Databricks. The new Database Certified Contest Engineer Associate certification is designed for the AI engineers, data professionals, and developer building the intelligent AI agent system using the Databricks. So in this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the certification, including so all the details are there: vector search, MCP, whether you are working with the AI agent and React semantic search or enterprise AI system. This certification validates your ability to design and manage the information environment for the reliable AI application on Databricks. So exam highlights are there. So 90 question approx 120 minutes and live protected proctorate exam valid for the 2 years. A recommended hands-on experience with the Databricks AI or data engineering. Beta exam result released on the approximately 6 weeks later. So a recommended learning path included. So all the details are there. This is the official link. We'll go for the registration and other details. So when you'll open this page, this is a Databricks Certified Contest Engineer Associate and all the details are there. Here you will go as assessment details, type live certification beta, total number of question approximately is 90, limit time is 120 minutes and registration fee this is $0. One free attempt will be offered on site at submit. So multiple choice question and test ads not allowed and the delivery method is the live portrait at the DAIS and 2026 means recent data AI. So now we'll go through the registration link. So 18 days to go, 15 hours, and this is for San Francisco plus virtual. But remember that if you go to the registration, here you can find that experience everything the summit has to offer. Here, the hands-on training course and certification included on site. On virtual, you will get the this much only. So be remember that which one you are going to be. In person, you will get a certification, and virtual, you don't have the certification. So if you are serious about AI engineering, agentic AI, rack system, and enterprise LLM application, this certification could be your next big career move. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free database contest engineer associate exam data and AI summit 2026. Disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address, and follow and support on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. And do you have any questions, then drop them into the comment box. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.